Welcome to the NS7500 video series. In this video, we'll cover how to replace a defective power supply module. The power supply module is a customer replaceable unit referred to as a CRU. Customer can replace a defective power supply. The system ships with two power supply modules that operates in redundant configuration. To replace a defective power supply, detach the power cord from the defective power supply. Allow a few seconds for the fan to spin down. Use the handle on the defective power supply unit while pressing and the latch to the left to pull the power supply unit out of the system. Pull all the way out. Place the defective power supply to the side. If disposing of the power supply module, follow the local ordinance and manufacturer's instructions. Locate the new power supply. Remove it out of its packaging. Insert the replacement power supply in the empty bay. Push the power supply all the way in until you hear click. Plug the power cord into the new power supply. Log in into the system and check the status of the new replacement power supply and the health of the system. And that's how you replace a power supply module.